turning an 18-year-old LS460 from this into this. And this is a Lexus 460, just bought by the owner and transported straight to the shop with no expense spared for a full comprehensive restoration and upgrade from the old model to the newer look. Despite having 420,000 kilometers, the interior shows heavy wear with cracked leather, loose wood, trim water ingress, and severe oil leaks in the chassis, while the engine is in terrible condition with both oil and coolant leaks. So without wasting time, we begin restoring this LS460 to bring it back to its peak, starting with the interior.